Lengo Cards English Practice. 34 kitchen items with examples. Oven.
I baked a pizza in the oven for dinner. I baked a pizza in the oven for dinner.
Muffin tin.
The muffin tin was used to bake muffins for breakfast. The muffin tin was used to bake muffins for breakfast.
Frying pan.
I fried an egg in the frying pan for breakfast. I fried an egg in the frying pan for breakfast.
Ice cream scoop.
I used an ice cream scoop to serve ice cream. I used an ice cream scoop to serve ice cream.
Dish.
I washed a dirty dish in the sink. I washed a dirty dish in the sink.
Spoon.
The little girl stirred her ice cream with a spoon. The little girl stirred her ice cream with a spoon.
Plate.
I put my sandwich on a plate for lunch. I put my sandwich on a plate for lunch.
Cup.
I need a cup to drink my tea. I need a cup to drink my tea.
Apron.
The chef put on his apron before starting to cook dinner. The chef put on his apron before starting to cook dinner.
Rolling pin.
The baker rolled out the dough with a rolling pin. The baker rolled out the dough with a rolling pin.
Dishwasher.
The dishwasher cleaned all the dirty dishes after dinner. The dishwasher cleaned all the dirty dishes after dinner.
Mop.
I spilled juice on the floor and had to mop it up. I spilled juice on the floor and had to mop it up.
Chopping board.
I chopped vegetables on the chopping board for the salad. I chopped vegetables on the chopping board for the salad.
Grater.
He grated the cheese using a grater. He grated the cheese using a grater.
Baking tray.
I baked cookies on the baking tray in the oven. I baked cookies on the baking tray in the oven.
Colander.
The colander drained the water from the pasta. The colander drained the water from the pasta.
Tap.
I turned on the tap to fill up the pot with water. I turned on the tap to fill up the pot with water.
Ladle.
I used a ladle to serve soup into the bowls. I used a ladle to serve soup into the bowls.
Lid.
I covered the pot with a lid to keep the soup hot. I covered the pot with a lid to keep the soup hot.
Measuring cups.
I used measuring cups to measure the ingredients for the cake. I used measuring cups to measure the ingredients for the cake.
Mincer.
I used a mincer to grind the meat for the burgers. I used a mincer to grind the meat for the burgers.
Napkin.
I wipe my mouth with a napkin after eating. I wipe my mouth with a napkin after eating.
Oven gloves.
I used oven gloves to remove the hot baking tray from the oven. I used oven gloves to remove the hot baking tray from the oven.
Salt shaker.
The salt shaker added a pinch of salt to the soup. The salt shaker added a pinch of salt to the soup.
Peeler.
The peeler removed the skin from the potatoes. The peeler removed the skin from the potatoes.
Tablecloth.
I put a tablecloth on the table for the dinner party. I put a tablecloth on the table for the dinner party.
Teapot.
The teapot brewed a nice cup of tea for the afternoon. The teapot brewed a nice cup of tea for the afternoon.
Rubber gloves.
The rubber gloves protects the hands while washing the dishes. The rubber gloves protects the hands while washing the dishes.
Teaspoon.
The teaspoon stirred the sugar into the tea. The teaspoon stirred the sugar into the tea.
Wok.
I stir-fried vegetables and chicken in the wok for dinner. I stir-fried vegetables and chicken in the wok for dinner.
Cake stand.
I put the birthday cake on a cake stand to make it look fancy. I put the birthday cake on a cake stand to make it look fancy.
Kitchen scales.
I used kitchen scales to weigh the flour for the bread. I used kitchen scales to weigh the flour for the bread.
Jar.
The jar held the yummy strawberry jam. The jar held the yummy strawberry jam.
Baking paper.
The baking paper prevented the cookies from sticking to the tray. The baking paper prevented the cookies from sticking to the tray.